Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I wanted to show you my vegetable haul. I spent altogether $20 on all these vegetables you're seeing here. I have plantains, bell peppers, I have radish, I have bottle gourd, cabbage, carrot, tomatoes, eggplant, kale, cilantro, celery, tindora, and some green chilies along with curry leaves. All these I spent only $20. My rule of thumb is if anything is more than $1.50, I do not buy. I do not plan my meals with what we want to eat, but whatever is on sale. And these are all my fruits over here. I have bananas, apples, and grapes. All this together costed me $10. Grapes was $1.50 per pound in Aldi, and bananas costed me $2, and apples costed me $3.50 for a 3-pound bag. So my fruits came up to $10. My vegetables came up to approximately $20. This is my rule of thumb. I spend $20 every week for vegetables, $10 for fruits, and the rest $20 is for milk, yogurt, and other groceries that are needed. Also, this is my meal prep video. I have soaked some cannellini beans. I have some barley that I cooked in the pressure cooker along with the other beans. I have some chana dal, some tur dal, chickpeas, and some mung beans that I have cooked for the week. Also, in the same pressure cooker like I showed you, I also made my tamarind paste for the week. This is how I meal prep. I hope my video of my grocery haul and also my meal prep gave you some idea on how you can do yours. It was really helpful for working mothers. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.